Alright, what is going on YouTube? It is Survivor Boy here with you today. And today we're coming at you with a video. This is like, so let me just break it down to you. Alright, so today is it's actually like 12:30 at midnight, so it's Friday morning. We're leaving about 9 o'clock and we're going to be headed up to Little Black Creek. It's up in Mississippi. It's in between Wiggins and somewhere else, I don't know. But we're going to be going there, and I'm going to show you what I done got set up. Alright, so I hope this doesn't mess up, but I got my flash on. But right here, I got my new Lew's spinning reel, riding reel combo. And then I got my Abbey Garcia Black Max right there. And on there I got Texas rig tied on. And then on my Lew's, I got a drop shot weight and then the drop shot hook, and then got all my baits and stuff in there. And yeah, so I can't wait. It's gonna be pretty fun. And I gotta get in the bed because I gotta get up early in the morning. So I'll see you guys out on the lake. Alright, so I'm not on the lake yet, but I done got all my stuff ready. I'm ready. So yeah, I got pretty much all my stuff ready because I had it from last night, but got all my clothes packed and everything, and got my fishing poles. I done went over that in my bag, and I'm dressed and I'm ready. So I'm gonna film a little bit of the car ride and some other stuff, maybe going to get some bait and stuff, but other than that, we should be good. So peace. Headed into Walmart to get some fishing stuff. About to put some braid on the black nets. Right here, got some 15-pound Firewire braid on this. Before. Very beautiful and sunny here.
We just do that between 10 and 10 o'clock. Let's just do morning. The John.
Alright guys, so we're here at Little Black Creek Campground, and I figured out it's in Lumberton. I forgot, I ain't been here in a while. And there you go. Nice view of the lake, and I'll show you our campsite when we get there. Alright, so I just put some new braid on my Abbey Garcia. I was going to do it before and after, but I had to hurry up and get it done, so wasn't able to get that. But the simple fact of the matter is, I got some braid. 15-pound spider wire camouflage braid, and it's gonna come in pretty handy flipping and pitching these poles and all these stumps and logs, which ain't too many, but it's a pretty big lake and it's gonna come in handy. I got some new pack of Senkos, and I'm gonna try out something new I ain't tried in a while with some lizards, and I'm gonna be using the cotton candy killer. But all in all, it should be a fun trip, and I'm gonna film every fish catch as I can.
Got a zip line right here.
Zip line? Yeah, sure do, don't they? Alright, so what is going on YouTube? Finally down here at the lake, getting ready to fish. And I'm bank fishing for right now, not on the boat yet. And I'm gonna be fishing up in here with a Zoom cotton candy lizard on my Abbey Garcia Black Max with that 15-pound braid. So I'll bring it to you when I start getting into a fight with one, hopefully. Got this one right here on a cotton candy cotton candy lizard. Right there. There you go. Yeah.
Looks kind of.
Alright, so we finished the day out. I caught one little bass, largemouth. And yeah. Here's what the lake looks like right now. We're gonna be out here early in the morning to come and catch us some bass. So yeah, it was a fun day, beautiful day, turned out to be. And yeah. And always you gotta have the lucky honk horn. What is going on YouTube? It's Rad Boy. Second day. I ain't done no fishing yet in the boat, but we're about to. And right here I'm fishing a Texas rig Senko with an 1/8 ounce bullet weight and a wide gap worm hook. And all I'm doing is just, yeah, don't get backlashes like that. That ain't good. Yeah, like I said, don't get bird nests like that. All I'm doing is just casting out there. And on here, like I've said like 30 million times, some 15-pound braid. And all I'm doing to fish this Texas rig Senko is I'm just letting it fall to the bottom, and then I'm tapping it a few times. And you got to figure out the pattern for these bass, because sometimes they'll want this right here, 2 bumps, or you can bump it 1 time, like that. Well, it's 2 times. Let me do that one more time. Or 3 times. Or you just let it fall. Oh, where's the fish? Dude, I just had a fish, man. Bumped it good. Alright, you seen that I just had a fish? Alright, as you seen right there, I was just bumping it 1 time. I had a really good bite right here. I think I bumped it twice, I think. 1 or 2 times. I'm not sure. But all I was doing, let it sit there. And you gotta watch your line, because a lot of times they'll pick it up and run with it. So you gotta watch out for that. Or you can bump it 4 times like I just did. So I'm gonna be fishing, and if I get hooked up with one, I'll start the video. But it's gonna be fishing for a little bit and get some footage of us fishing. So a lot of times I like to target cast towards docks and brush and limbs and stuff. A lot of times, like you're gonna see in a little bit here when we're in the boat, we're gonna be flipping these logs. You can see these little black dots, and a lot of times these logs right here, I just cast out there. And a good bait, some good baits to cast towards docks and stuff, it's a feature bait. Just something about it. Brush hogs, lizards. Well, lizard ain't really, I mean, it is a creature bait, but brush hogs and stuff like that, it's good to flip and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna throw it out there. And another little tip is that when you got wind, you see how the water's not still, it's got like little waves on it. That's good. Fish a spinnerbait, and because all the bait fish gets to moving and stuff like that, and they start swimming around. A lot more little bait fish are active. The brim, bluegill start swimming around, and the bass are out there hunting for them. And since they'll be moving, there'll be more bait, more food for the bass, and so it's good. So my cousin are here to show me your bait. Fishing a swim bait hook on a little grub worm deal right there. I think it's a Young brand, and that's good to fish because it's a moving bait. Like I said, moving baits are really good. Crankbaits, spinner baits. I love fishing spinner baits in this kind of water. So just gotta find out what the fish are biting on. There's a lot of grass, and you gotta watch out for that. You will get fooled a lot of times.
I got fooled yesterday.
So all you're gonna do is just let your worm fall to the bottom and you bump it. So bring it back to you when we catch one.
Let's just kill a rabbit.
Like, look at it. Alright guys, we're getting ready to leave the campground. We're hooking the camper up now. And so out of all of this, I only caught one bass. Got this one right here. Oh, a cotton candy lizard. Cotton candy lizard. Right there. There you go. But it was still a fun trip. And I'm gonna upload the video regardless. But personally, I really don't think there's that many bass in here in Little Black Creek. I mean, they got, you know, some little brim and bluegill and stuff like that. Pike and shoe pick and stuff like that. You know, just little fish. But I caught one bass on a cotton candy lizard, as you've seen. So we're headed back now, hooking up the camper, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna film a little bit of the car ride back home, and yeah, backing the camper up. Uncle is hooking up his camper. So you can see him right there, getting hooked up. So we got the campers hooked up, the boat's hooked up, and I'm hooked up. So it was pretty fun. Here's a little map of Little Black Creek. I'm going to show you the campground, as you can see right there. And I would highly recommend Little Black Creek. They're awesome. There's all their information if you want to know, and it says you can actually make online reservations. So yeah. Alright, as you can see, I'm home, but we're packing up to go fishing again. So let's go. So what I'm bringing, I got some big shoe pick in there and some nice bass. So I've done had one pop my 12-pound test. So I'm not bringing that, I'm just gonna bring my Black Max with the braid, some cotton candy lizards, some fishing stuff. So let's go. Alright guys, we're fishing this little like dead lake, whatever you wanna call it. Fished here before, caught some. Today I hooked up with 2 shoe pick and hooked up 1 bass. And Joe just caught this freaking 10-pounder.
God, this felt like a dink, bro. This thing felt small.
Oh God.
And I pulled it out of the water and it won't freaking epileptic seizure.
Alright, let's hold it up. Alright, good deal. Alright, we went fishing. We only caught that 1 bass, but I hooked up with 2 shoe pick, I believe, and 1 little bass on a PB&J Senko. But let me show you all the coolest thing about this if we got caught back here. Yeah. I smell fire. But yeah, so there's a big lake, big lake right here. And I'll show you some better views of it, but we can't fish it. Reason being that we can't fish it is because just grass everywhere, there's big old gators. But yeah. And also kids, use your imagination when you ain't got no stringer. Put them on the end of your fishing pole, right?
Yeah.
Here's a little view of the lake. Kind of see it. About, I don't know, 40 acres or so.
You know when it's
big swamp on this side. Big lake on that side. As you've seen here, we're fishing by a federal fence place. So you see there? Don't get caught. If I get caught, we ain't got nowhere to run. And always you gotta have the lucky honk horn.